Team 20, and this is Diego, Eric, Elijah.
Yeah. Anyway, when we first started working on this project, we started by figuring out exactly what we were doing. We asked questions like, what is the NXT capable of? What uses our $1 bill? And also, what programming languages we can use. Then we started thinking, what things can we build that would utilize as many of the aspects of the NXT as possible? And we compiled this list. And as you can see from this list, the moving catapult was the one that won out. And it won out because of sheer awesome factor. It had this factor because we assigned it these attributes, which is what Diego's going to be telling you about now.
We used tread instead of wheels because tread would allow us to spin better, whereas wheels would give us speed, but we didn't use speed. We achieved stability by placing the brick as close to the ground as we could. The motors we put as close to the brick as we could so they wouldn't need as much support. The catapult arm is lightweight as much as possible so that there is less force needed to fire. It holds the ball loosely but firmly so that when it swings, it will release the ball smoothly. The release mechanism releases the catapult arm smoothly and quickly so that the range is consistent. We placed the sonar high above the ground so that the ground wouldn't affect the measurements, and the light sensor is placed on the back so that when it turns, it won't run over the MLT. And now Elijah will talk about the crucial aspect of programming.
Our RoboLab program consists of 5 main parts. The first part of our code is a sub-VI that reads a light sequence from the MLT that tells the NXT which of the targets to attack. If a button for the left or right target is pressed, the NXT rotates 90 degrees and heads for the target. Next, another sub-VI makes sure that the NXT stops the correct distance away from the target. The NXT then beeps, indicating it is ready for launch. Once the NXT hears the command to fire, it catapults the projectile at the target. Using the NXT's built-in rotation sensor, the NXT retraces its steps, and now Eric will demonstrate it all for us in a few moments. Just be patient. Preparing. Loading.
Alright, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push one of the buttons on the MLT, and what that's going to do is send it towards the green target, and I'm going to tell it to fire. Fire! Fire! Sometimes it doesn't like to listen. A little stubborn like that.
Wait.
Thank you.